The heck?
Sexy man.
Bezel, embodiment of time. Nice to make your acquaintance, little animal friends. Do not despair, for time is an infinite dance.
So that means we got all the time in the world?
Oh, no, your clock's ticking every day. Howdy, hey! Oh, it's you two.
Bezel.
Immortals.
Daddy time!
Don't call me that!
Come to taunt mortals again? Well, there's nothing disastrous you can do while I'm around watching over these guys.
Who said anything about disaster? I'm just here to have some fun.
Ugh, I'm gonna need ibuprofen. Are you into open relationships? I don't want Bezel to mess things up concerning our current mission.
He won't. Plus, I think we could easily overpower him if we had to.
He has dominion over all of time. If anything, he could overpower us.
Yeah, but he gets real flustered when you mess with him, which is my specialty.
Oh, fine. You want me to blend in more? Conform? Fine. Happy?
What are you even here for, anyhow?
I think you and I both know. You're not the only one who's keeping an eye on the strange occurrences surrounding that puppy.
You know why Bezel's here, right?
Yeah. I just thought we did everything right. We did do everything right. He's wrong.
We both learned recruiting him to our sides won't work. He'll warp our realms beyond recognition. Too much chaos.
The way he's warped this one isn't too bad, though. I think we're safe. He still doesn't know. He's a god.
Shame I can't try to convince him to join the Dark Forces. He'd be so good at it. But I can't do that to French Fly.
Wow! Cool boy you got here. Hello! More fun this way instead of all those complicated, boring-to-find spaces, huh?
Yeah. I guess it is kinda neat.
Yes, it is. Keep up the weirdness, my friend.
I guess I kinda never really noticed it. Huh. I have a question.
Yes?
Are you evil?
No! I'm chaotic. Big difference, just like you.
I'm not.
Oh, yes you are. More than you'll ever know.
Evil.
Adorable kitty cat! You're quite favored by Chicken Nugget, aren't you?
Oh yeah, he's my best friend.
Really? Well, doesn't he frighten you?
Every day.
You fear crossing him, don't you?
Oh my gosh, no! He's the sweetest. No reason to be actually afraid.
You say that now.
The thing the clock guy said about empty voids is kinda starting to freak me out. Wait, do I even have a house? Sometimes it feels like I'm just a puppet on a stage, available for whatever shenanigans happen next.